Hello viewers, let's learn how can we make stickers for WhatsApp and social media accounts. We will use two methods. In the first one, we will make stickers from our own pictures available in gallery. And in the second method, we will use AI to generate virtual stickers. So now on screen please. So first picture into sticker, click on WhatsApp, then open any contact and click this sign to make a sticker from your own pictures. Now click this sign and click create. Now click use a photo. This is your gallery, so choose a picture. And sticker is ready. Now let's go and add some more stickers to it. Click on it and choose any one in available. Placement is very easy. You can place it anywhere. You can stretch it, enlarge or decrease. Click this sign once again to add an emoji. Now these are available. Choose the one or click it and it's on the face of the baby. So let's go and drag it anywhere would you like to paste it. Now let's go click T for text, and you can also choose any color from this pencil like sign. So text is ready and now you can place it. You can enlarge or decrease the size of the text by pressing or stretching the text with both fingers. Click send. Now you can see that the sticker is ready and already added to your gallery. Sending it to other person is very easy. Click on the arrow sign and select the contact and it's done. A beautiful sticker has been sent. Now the second one, sticker with AI. So once again open the contact, click this sign, once again this sign, and then click the same way create. And after pressing create, now we will use generate with AI. Click on it. Now write your desired idea, like I write cat with the kitten in the moon. You can write anything you like, so it's generating. And now a beautiful cat along with kitten is available on moon. On the same way, you can also add or delete something you desired. These are available in your gallery and you can send it or click the arrow and select the contact and send. And you can do any changes to the sticker. You can click it inside your gallery or the other person box. So click edit sticker and any changes can be made to an already made sticker. All the icons are in front of you. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.